Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul Steam here with a 1950-ish Jensen 55 brass tag. And this one's a little special in the fact that it's got a riveted boiler on it. 3" by 6". And she runs fantastic. I bead blasted the firebox and chimney housing, made a chimney for it, cleaned it up, and installed a brand new boiler on it made by Jed Pusczykowski, and he does a terrific job making these boilers, and this one is outstanding. And I'm going to steam it up here in a little bit. We supplied a 16 gauge 3-wire grounded electrical cord on it, and here's the plug-in for it, vintage style plug-in. I get $7 out of that plug. And it's on the original base. I like how it's so rough right here. It's like spreading a 3-course meal on a picnic grounds. It's just such a beautiful engine on a rustic piece of wood. And let's get a little closer look. Alright, there's that beautiful boiler. It's absolutely brand new. All brass construction. Riveted. Not a blemish on it. Alright, I'm going to put some water in the boiler and we're going to fire it up for the first time. Be right back. Alright, I think we're up to steam enough to get it running. And we're off. Boiler's holding good. Take a little closer look. Okay. Oh, really good. This is a smooth one. Just about everything on this engine plant has been touched and tweaked, cleaned, adjusted. And there you have it, a riveted boiler Jensen 55 brass tag. There's the brass tag. Thanks for watching, folks. St. Paul Steams, and have a nice day.